Selena Gomez made a stunning appearance at the premiere of Emilia Perez's highly anticipated movie in Los Angeles. The 32-year-old actress and singer walked the red carpet, turning heads with her chic outfit and radiant smile. Gomez, who has been a longtime advocate for mental health awareness and women's empowerment, showed her support for Perez's film, which explores themes of resilience and self-discovery. "Emilia's story is truly inspiring, and I'm honored to be a part of this special night," Gomez said in a statement. The premiere drew a star-studded crowd, including other notable attendees. Gomez's fashion choices and effortless charm stole the spotlight, cementing her status as a Hollywood-style icon. Fans praised Gomez's continued commitment to promoting meaningful projects and empowering women in the entertainment industry. Stay tuned for more updates on Emilia Perez's movie and Selena Gomez's upcoming projects.